These fields are full of life, and every day the people here work with real heart. Here we are, in this 1,000-year-old American village. Tell me, these tomato fields, are they yours?
Yes.
The people of this village are truly kind. They're always busy with their work, and they don't outfight or quarrel.
This village always inspires me, and the way people work with nature, the calm air. And with that, our little journey through this peaceful village comes to an end. These fields.
The video you just watched was created using VEO 3.1, which is incredibly impressive. And in this video, you will learn how you can create your own VEO 3.1 account, and even more importantly, how you can generate unlimited videos with VEO 3.1. You will discover everything right here in this video. Many people face a problem where their account allows them to create only 3 videos before their credits run out, and then they have to wait until the next day to create more videos. So, I will show you the method that lets you create unlimited videos, because I also create videos from here regularly, and my credits never run out, since Google itself provides a method that allows unlimited video generation. You just don't know about it yet. So, let's begin today's video. To create an unlimited VEO 3.1 account, the first thing we need to do is create a new Gmail. So we will open the Chrome browser, then click on the profile icon at the top. And here, you will see the Gmail account that is currently logged in. Tap on Gmail, scroll down, and click Sign Out. Now we will create a new Gmail account, and the process here is slightly different. Click the profile icon again at the top, then click here, and when you scroll down, you will see the option to add account. Click that, and you will need to create your new Gmail account. Most of you already know how to create a Gmail account, but I will still walk you through it. Click Create, select for personal use, and now enter your name. Just type your own name, then click Next, and select your date of birth. Now we will select our gender, and then click Next. Here you will see several Gmail username options, so you can choose any of them, or you can create your own custom Gmail if you want. I will select one from the list, then click Next, and here we will create a strong and secure password, then click Next again. And after that, whatever terms and conditions appear, we will keep accepting them and continue clicking Next until we move forward, and our new Gmail account will be created. As soon as your account is created, it will automatically log into the Chrome browser. Now we will search for Google One, and here you will see many Google One websites, including some sponsored ones, so ignore those and click on this specific website. Then tap the 3 lines at the top and select Google AI from there. Now you can see all the details about what you will get with this plan, including 2 TB of storage and many other features. Okay, so to get unlimited access to Google VEO 3.1, we will click here. Now please look carefully. You should see all of this written here. Then click on Get Google AI Pro. As soon as you click Get Google AI Pro, the payment page will open, and here you will have the option to make the payment using a card. You can make the payment through UPI if UPI works in your country, and since it is an Indian payment method, you can use it if available. You can also pay using a redeem code, or even directly through your phone. So I will quickly use UPI because I have UPI, and after clicking the UPI option, my details will appear here. Then I will click Continue, and now I will click Subscribe, and we will be redirected straight to our UPI app. I use Google Pay, so I have opened it, and from here I will complete the payment. So let me quickly pay. Now you can see here that it shows subscribed, which means our account has been successfully created, and you can also see the benefits included with it. Now, auto payment has been enabled in my Google Pay, which means every month $250 will automatically be deducted from my bank account. So I will need to cancel that, and I will quickly cancel it. Now, using the account I just created, I will show you how to generate a video. So first, we will go to the Chrome browser and search for Flow. Then click on the first website, scroll down, and click Create with Flow. Now we will log in using the same Gmail account that we just created and used to set up the account. So I will do that, and after ticking these 2 boxes, we will continue. Then we will scroll down and keep moving forward by clicking Continue, and now we will click New Project. Now you will reach the place you created this account for, where you can create videos with VEO 3.1, and below you will see VEO 3.1 written. If we click on the profile icon, you can see that this is the same account we just created, and we currently have 1,000 credits. If your 1,000 credits run out, then simply follow the same process to create another Gmail, and then make another account, and this way you can use it for unlimited time, and if you end up with too many Gmail accounts, you can delete them as well. Now let me show you how to create a video. First, we will click here and select the aspect ratio for our video, which will be landscape, and by clicking here, we can choose how many videos should be generated at once. For now, I will keep it at 2. Now we will paste our prompt here, which I had generated in JSON language. And to get this written, you don't have to do anything complicated. Just tell ChatGPT your idea and ask it to write the prompt in JSON language, and it will write it for you. And as soon as we paste the prompt and press enter, our video will start generating. After a little while, our video is ready, and I will quickly click here and download it in its original size.
Look, monkey, because of Adam AI, my VEO 3.1 subscription also got activated.
In the same way, you can generate unlimited videos. And if you also want a free 1-year VEO 3 account, you can watch this video of mine where I have explained step by step how you can get VEO 3 for 1 year.